Good morning, dear students. This is the SST class for Standard 3 students. Dear students, in the previous class, we had already learned chapter 1 to chapter 6. In this class, we are going to learning chapter 7, Our Clothes. Dear students, we know in our country there are different types of peoples according to the religious, lives process, dresses of course, etc. So dear students, in our country we also wear different types of dresses for different occasions according to the seasons or our tradition or फिर occupation. So dear students, in this class we are discussing different types of clothes according to the season, occasions, that our traditions and occupations. So dear students, let's come chapter 7, our clothes. We will be read about in this chapter the need for clothes. Why do we need clothes and clothes according to the seasons, traditions, occupation and occasions. First, we know why do we wear clothes. We wear clothes because to cover our body, or it protects us, our body from the scorching of sun, cold, rain and insects. But they also protect our body from insect bites. But people wear different types of clothes. People wear clothes to according to the seasons, their traditions, occasions and occupations. First, seasons. We know there are mainly 3 seasons. One is summer season and rainy season and winter seasons. First, we wear woolen clothes in winter seasons because it keeps our body warm, like sweater, jackets, gloves, mufflers, shawls, etc. are the names of some clothes that we wear in winters because it keeps our body warm. But in summer seasons we wear cotton clothes because it keeps our body cold, and these clothes absorb sweat quickly because in summer season sweats are very much, so the clothes absorb sweat quickly and keep our body dry. But in rainy season we wear raincoats or gumboots, and we also use umbrellas because these things are made up of waterproof materials. So and we also use polyester and nylon fabrics dresses during this season. According to their traditions, like we compare in our area, we wear commonly in a woman wear sari, salwar kurta, या फिर jeans kurta, etc. Sari is the most common traditional dresses of women in India. That means हमारे देश में सबसे ज़्यादातर के लोग साड़ी पहनते हैं. It is worn in the different styles in different regions. That means we wear different styles of stick like Bengali style, Odia style, Punjabi style. So we wear different types of sari in different regions. And another one is salwar kameez. We also another popular dresses of women in India. Some other traditional dresses of women in India according to the states, like in Haryana state the women usually wear ghagra and kurta, but in Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh the women wear commonly ghagra and choli, ghagra and odni in Rajasthan and bhaku in Sikkim. This is the sari and this is the ghagra choli that's wear in Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh state, and salwar kameez is the another popular dresses for women in India. But in men also different types of dress. Dhoti and kurta and pajama kurta are the traditional dresses of men in North India. That means in North India the men should wear dhoti kurta and pajama kurta, but in South India kurta lungi is the traditional dresses for men. Some other traditional dresses for men according to the state like Chudidar Pajama and Angrakha in Rajasthan, Munda in Kerala, Vest in Tamil Nadu, Firan in Kashmir. Firan is owned by both men and women. Tribes living in different parts of India, also they have our own traditional, like in our state, tribes are living in basically Kandhamar, Mayurbhanj, Koraput, Kalahandi. They also own tradition which is used to wear dresses. Turbans and caps, also we wear different types of turbans, that means pagdi, and caps in our India. The style of trunk turban varies greatly from one region to another. That means style of turban varies different in one state to another state. Like this is the style of turbans in Punjab, but this is the style of turban in Karnataka. We also similarly wear different types of caps in different regions, like Gandhi cap in Gujarat, fur caps in Kashmir, and embroidered cap in Himachal Pradesh. Clothes according to their occupations. The student, when a teacher going, they usually use t-shirts and pants. But when a farmer going to work in farm, he usually use lungi and shirts. So we also use different type of clothes according to their occupations. Men working in offices, that means which men work in offices mostly wear shirts and trousers, and office going women mostly use sari or salwar kameez. Or some people are use uniforms like doctors, nurse, lawyer, soldier, and school children. Next, clothes according to the occasions, that means we use different types of clothes in occasions like Dasera, Kali Puja, Diwali, या फिर Pongal, Bihu, etc. People wear bright colorful clothes during festivals, wedding and anniversaries. These clothes include brocade. Brocade means a rich fabric woven with a rich pattern, typically with gold and silver threads. Suits, traiach and sherwani. That means we also क्या पहनते हैं ना, brocade, silk sarees, sweat, traiach and sherwani. Women also wear gold and silver jewelry. The brides and bridegrooms also wear special dresses. That means जो बर करने होते हैं वो अलग अलग ड्रेस पहनते हैं, और हम लोग को फेस्टिवल के हिसाब से हम लोग ड्रेस पहनते हैं. This is the all over chapter 7, our clothes, dear students. This is your hard copy in which I write all the short notes about this topic. You should write it in your assessed copy and try to understand this chapter. And I also prepared homework for you, like what do you mean by brocade? Brocade means a special type of fabric which use gold or silvers. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body. What is the traditional dresses of Indian women? The traditional dresses of Indian women is sari. And quick revision 1 and quick revision 2, this is the homework for you. You should write all the questions in your assessed copy. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. All the best.